Welcome to Tutorial Hub. Today we are going to discuss top 50 questions on Indus Valley Civilization. Hope this will be very helpful for your upcoming examination. Question number 1. The site of Harappa is located on the bank of river. The answer is Ravi. Question number 2. The Great Bath of Indus Valley Civilization is found at, and the answer is Mohenjo-daro. Question number 3. Which was the only Indus site with an artificial brick dockyard? The answer is Lothal. Question number 4. The Harappans did not know the use of. The answer is iron. Question number 5. The earliest city discovered in Indus Valley. The answer is Harappa. Question number 6. The Indus or Harappan civilization is distinguished from the other contemporary civilization by its, and the answer is underground drainage system. Question number 7. There are similarities between the seals found at Mohenjo-daro and the answer is Sumeria. Question number 8. The Harappas had commercial relations with. The answer is Mesopotamia. Question number 9. The granary discovered at Harappa was located. Answer is near the Robi River. Question number 10. Which of the Indus Valley site is also known as Mound of the Dead? The answer is Mohenjo-daro. Question number 11. The most common animal figure found at all the Harappan site is. Answer is unicorn bull. Question number 12. Which was the only city of the Indus without fortification? The answer is Sanhu-daro. Question number 13. Which was the biggest building in Mohenjo-daro? Answer is the granary. Number 14. The Harappan town considered to be a town of the artists and craftsmen was. The answer is Sanhu-daro. Question number 15. Which was the backbone of Indus economy? The answer is agriculture. Question number 16. The Harappans were the earliest people to produce. The answer is cotton. Question number 17. Who is the excavator of Harappa site? The answer is Dayaram Sahini. Question number 18. A prominent Harappan site being surrounded by flood barriers in order to protect it with the aid of UNESCO funds is. The answer is Mohenjo-daro. Question number 19. In Indus Valley Civilization, Kalibangan is famous for. The answer is pottery. Question number 20. In Indus Valley Civilization, Dholavira is famous for. The answer is water conservation. Question number 21. The people of the Indus Valley Civilization usually build their houses of, and the answer is burnt bricks. Question number 22. Which scholar first used the term Indus civilization? And the answer is John Marshall. Question number 23. Who discovered the Mohenjo-daro site of Indus Valley civilization? The answer is R.D. Banerjee. Question number 24. Along which river Mohenjo-daro is situated? The answer is Indus. Question number 25. The name of the ancient port of Indus Valley civilization is. The answer is Lothal. Question number 26. Dancing girl figure found in Indus Valley was made of, and the answer is bronze. Question number 27. Which game was known to the Indus people? And the answer is dice. Question number 28. Where the statue of bearded man was found? The answer is Mohenjo-daro. Question number 29. Who noticed the ruins of Harappa for the first time? The answer is Charles Mason. Question number 30. Which Harappan site has yielded the evidence of rice cultivation? Answer is Lothal. Question number 31. Which Harappan site is noticed in the Gangetic Dome? And the answer is Alamgirpur. Question number 32. The most common disease from which the Harappans are stated to have suffered was? The answer is arthritis. Question number 33. The larger number of Harappan sites has been found on the bank of the river. The answer is Saraswati. Number 34. What was the unique feature of the Harappan civilization which was unknown to other contemporary civilizations? The answer is cotton cloth. Question number 35. Which of the Harappan site is stated to have been destroyed by fire? Answer is Kodiji. Question number 36. The utensils of the Indus Valley people were mainly made of, and the answer is clay. Question number 37. The Indus people were worshippers of, and the answer is mother goddesses. Question number 38. Which was common both to the Harappan society and the Rigvedic society? And the answer is horses. Question number 39. The excavations at which of the following sites provided the evidence of maritime trade being carried on during the period of Harappan culture? And the answer is Lothal. Question number 40. The staple food of the Vedic Aryans was, and the answer is milk and its products. Question number 41. Which of the Harappan sites is known as Linksire of India? And the answer is Sanudaro. Question number 42. Which of the Indus sites is known as Gateway City? And the answer is Harappa. Question number 43. Which of the Harappan site is also known as Manchester of Indus Valley Civilization? And the answer is Lothal. Question number 44. The style of the script of Indus Valley was, and the answer is Bostrofedan. Question number 45. Which site of Indus Valley Civilization was divided into three parts? And the answer is Tholavira. Question number 46. Which was the biggest Harappan civilization site? And the answer is Rakhigori. Question number 47. Who discovered the Lothal site of Indus Valley Civilization? And the answer is S.R. Rao. Question number 48. The Kalibangan site of Indus Valley is in which of the Indian state? And the answer is Rajasthan. Question number 49. Harappa was discovered in which year? And the answer is 1921. Question number 50 and today's last question. Kalibangan was located on the bank of river, and the answer is Khaggar. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe Tutorial Hub.